Nintendo is taking survival horror to the next level with its first ever special edition Switch 2 Pro controller, and this one straight out of Raccoon City. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your favorite tech hub. The Resident Evil Requiem edition is themed around Capcom's next mainline entry. At first glance, it looks like a standard black Pro controller, but it has a darkly detailed front faceplate covered with a fictional newspaper clipping from Raccoon City. The top proudly reads Resident Evil with Requiem below, and the design includes a haunting article excerpt and grim photos of the chaos on the ground. Perfect for hardcore fans who love understated collector's items. The themed controller costs just $10 more than the standard Pro controller. Small price for the extra creep factor. But that's not all. Switch 2 owners can also pre-order 2 limited edition physical versions of Requiem at $90 each. The Resident Evil Generation Pack packs Requiem with Resident Evil Village Gold Edition and Resident Evil 7 Gold Edition, while the Deluxe Edition has a steelbook case, lenticular card, and tons of digital content. Nintendo isn't just stopping at controllers. An amiibo for Requiem's protagonist Grace Ashcroft is on the way, likely for around $40, although that won't arrive until summer 2026. However, the controller is now available for $100 for pre-order at Best Buy and the Nintendo Store, and it'll launch on February 27, 2026. Fans can get ready to collect, play, and survive the terror in style. Nintendo has officially turned the Pro controller into a horror collector's dream, and fans are already lining up to get their hands on this limited edition gem. Have you made the pre-order already? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.